Hey, man, we got an easy go here. I'm going to show you how to, we're going to put a dash on it. The customer decided he wanted a dash after we done put the radio on. So I'm going to show you how to do it, man. Simple. But let me read from it should be quick, but anybody in the industry knows that if something's supposed to be simple and quick, it never happens. But let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is take the old radio. I just put this in the other day. Take the screws out the radio. All right, so now you got your harness here. What I'm gonna do is take my harness, unplug my harness. I'm gonna take my antenna out with me. Big old 37-foot antenna. Always remember this too, man. If you do run the antenna, one thing I'm gonna give you a little tip is make sure you don't wrap it around your power wire. I was in here. What I was saying though, you take this here, and I'm gonna take my right here and pull these out right here. Get a screwdriver. What I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna use this for my imprint to draw on the dash so I can cut out for the radio. And then I'm gonna show you a little tip too. I'm gonna take this here, pry it in there. I'm gonna show you a little tip too, man. When you cut the dash out, now that you're getting a dash on here, just cut it out, man. And they gotta be perfect. Give me a Dremel tool. You'll find out, man, in the golf cart world, this here is your best friend, man. Don't buy no cheap one, because they don't last. Make sure you get the Dremel tool brand. We got a drop cord, Jay. I'm about to show this to everybody, man, just to make you go out and get one. Maybe you got your little son beside you, or your daughter beside you. Strawberry sundae with hot fudge on it. Go get one. You know you want it. I ain't going to tell you the name of it, not a paid sponsor, but I'm going to tell you this here. If you know who got the best ice cream, you know. In the comments below, man. In the comments below, tell me where you live at, man, where the best ice cream place is. We have this one place here. This ain't it. We had it one place here, man. They make homemade ice cream. It's all right, man. It's good, but it ain't sweet like the other ice creams are. All right, we're gonna take this here. You're gonna cut it out. Like I said, man, it ain't gotta be pretty, man, because you got the dash covering it. You want it where it's easier to put the dash in with the radio, because if you try to be perfect with it, you're just gonna open up a can of worms where you're gonna be stressed out because it ain't gonna work. It's like no matter what you do to some customers, man, and I'm gonna tell you this in the golf cart world, y'all, there's no loyalty from customers. At the end of the day, it's all about who saves their money. All right, so the dash now, you see what I did on the dash. I just stuck it. Pretty simple, man. You just take it, you just stick it over your dash like this. Simple. I mean, you can't do it wrong. Now the radio, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay this up here like this. Jay, give me the screws, Jay. Now, if you look here, man, if you look right here, you see how I turned this here over? I put the key switch on this side, gauge on this. I did that on my last video. When I put a radio, I always slide this over because with the radio on like this, man, it's kind of aggravating to get to the key. Huh? I don't care, whichever. I mean, whichever works. All right, Jason. Hold it right here and put it. So what we're going to do? Oh, Jason, I need a screw for the side, man. Let me get 1, 2, 3 screws. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 3 screws in it, 1 on each side and 1 on the top. I mean, on the bottom. You can put 1 under here, 1 under the cup holder. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to drill the hole out. You want to drill it out with an 1/8 of an inch drill bit. What we're doing, we're drilling the rivets out in the dash. But let me say this, though. Where the dash at, Jay? Having that dash? If you wanted to, you could take it and just stick this over it like this. But you have that, which I think looks kind of crappy with something. But I see customers' carts coming all the time with it, so don't think it don't. I mean, it looks all right. Mine personally, I wouldn't do it, but each is his own. That's what makes the world different. So what we're going to do now is drill a hole. Like I said, eighth of, you can go as big as a 3/16 if you use a star rivet, which is what we use. And when I say star rivet, because if you look in the rivet itself, it's got 3 slots in it. So instead of the rivet going flat when you use the rivet gun, it actually takes it and expands it out to cover a bigger area. And you can see here when I say that right there. So now what we're going to do is show you how to cut it out and everything. What you're going to do, take your old dash here, and you lay it up like this here. Like they're trying to flush it with the outside here. Make sure it's level. Right there's level. Flush over there. Yeah, right there's flush. Put it like
it's flush now. It's
level.
Yeah, you come over more if you want.
All right, and just flush it and level it like that. All right, draw a line. Yeah. And now what I'm gonna do now when I do this, I'm gonna cut it bigger than that line. All right, you can see that was good. I'm gonna cut it a little bit bigger, but you don't want to go too much bigger because you're cutting the screw hole. So you just want to you're just gonna go a little bigger. So I'm gonna take it. I'm going inside there, Jay. I'm gonna take this here and just go a little bit under the line, probably like 1 line under the line. That way it's not as tight fit. What the last light at?
I thought you had
Right on the bar. All right. I'm shine lights. Y'all can see it up here because it is way up here. So I take it. One thing about a drummer tool, man, let the drummer tool do the cutting, but make sure you hold pressure on it, because don't let it, because trust me, this bad boy will jump, and before you know it, you'll cut way up here. It don't have to be no straight cut. If it did, I'd be in trouble. But what I'm gonna do is take it. I'm gonna show y'all this. Take it. Take this here. Stick the radio back in there. Just push one side in. Push one side like that, and push in the other side. All right, like that. And what we'll do, we'll take it and stick it in there. Then we'll put our screws in there. Plug our old harness back into it. Now you can't go by that, man, because it's going to look uneven. But that's it, man. Just like that, man. You put a screw here, one right here, and that's it, man. Everything's done. Stay tuned, man.